Hey everybody, we want to invite you to our Shockwave informational workshop coming up on February 25th, Wednesday at 6 p.m. We have a new machine in our office called the Shockwave, or other people call it pressure wave, but it is amazing. We are seeing such good results with our patients. And this is really good for joint pain, really good for scar tissue anywhere in the muscles, neuropathy, tennis, elbow, knee pain, you name it. We've just been seeing such good results. What it does is it sends sound waves into the body. It helps to break up the scar tissue, proliferate your own blood vessels, also mobilize your own stem cells. So all your growth factors in the body, it pulls all those into that area that is healing. And so it's really efficient for healing, really good for pain relief. So come learn with us at the workshop just about what it is, what it does, if it's possible treatment option for you. And you're welcome to bring guests. We're gonna have dinner provided. It's a free workshop. So 6 p.m. the 25th. We hope to see you there.